Right, we've got this lovely Porsche Cayenne. It's the 3-litre hybrid, which is petrol electric, a supercar with £30,800 worth of factory options, including the panoramic roof, rear entertainment, Burmester sound system. It's got a really lovely specification. All been detailed and ready for sale. We've got all the books, 2 keys, obviously clear HPI report. Lovely car, good customers of ours who've owned this. I believe this was his wife's car. Right, we'll start at the back and carefully show you around. So if you're watching this on YouTube, please have a look at our website because we've listed all the options on there. There's a full specification and also a lot of photographs. So that's justnicecars.co.uk. Black quad exhaust system on the back there. While we're here, I shall just open the electric tailgate and show you in the back. All nice and clean, no scratch plastic. It's even got the protective film still on the plate on the back there, the stainless steel plate. And looking down the side of the car, it's lovely, no dings. The wheels are 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black. Calipers there in acid green. A privacy black glass to the rear. A super shine on that. All the books for the car. Guide for the rear entertainment. It's just been serviced at Revolution Porsche. They're a Porsche specialist in Leeds. So it's just been done at 26,941 miles in November. So all done there. We've got the specification printed off of exactly what the vehicle has. And its price was £100,977 paid. So it's all listed there. And we've duplicated that on our advert. Same down this side. As you can see, it is lovely. So it's a 2019 on a 69 registration, the mileage of 27,000. I'll just stand back, give you a side view, then I'll show you this lovely dark red leather inside. So stitched red on the black leather door cards there, piano black trim, the Burmester sound system, over carpet mats, rear entertainment, black headliner, an electric tilt slide panoramic roof with electric sunblind. Lighting there set on red, I think that's colour changing. Isofix, lovely in there. Fully electric seats and lumbar. Leather super, bolts are all nice. Crested headrests. And the mileage 27,023 miles. There we are, what a nice car. You won't be disappointed at all. Come and have a look at this one. Ready to go. Any questions, if you'd like to give us a call at the showroom on 0750 1730. We'll answer any questions for you. If you've got a part exchange, you'd like a finance quotation or a PCP, we can deal with that for you. Thank you very much for watching.